How to add text layers in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the edit page where your timeline is located. Then, open the effects library in the top left corner and click on titles to see the available text options. To add your first text layer, drag the basic text effect onto the timeline above your video clip. This creates one text layer where you can type and customize your message. To add more text layers, simply repeat this process, dragging additional text or text plus layers onto the timeline, stacking them at different points or even overlapping them for layered effect. Select any text layer on the timeline and open the inspector panel to customize the text. You can change the font, size, color, position, and even add shadows or outlines. You can layer multiple text clips in the timeline to create complex composition or display different text at different times. Adjust the duration of each text layer by dragging its edges. Make sure to preview your video frequently to see how your text layers appear together and make adjustments as needed. And that's it. Now you know how to add text layers in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.